Hello! Welcome po sa makeup kit. So, ready na po ba kayo mag-makeup ako? Kasi ako, ready na rin po. Hello! Welcome back to Shane TV mga kababayan. At nandito na naman po tayo ngayon because today we will be doing a new and affordable school makeup routine for 2018. So yesterday I posted a poll on my Instagram story wherein there were two options. Number one was must-have applications for school, and number two was new school makeup look. And kaya po tayo nandito ngayon because the new school makeup look won by 4 points, and actually they were really close. Pero nanalo pa rin ang pagpapaganda. Nakakaloka kayo. So if you want an easy and affordable makeup look, just keep on watching. Charan! So the first thing I'll be using is the iWhite BBHolic Everyday BB Cream. So what I personally like about this is that it has a nice and dewy finish. Yung bagay talaga pang fresh look, ganon. Also, when I'm blending this out, hindi na kailangan ng brush kasi madali lang siya i-blend. Okay, medyo kulang pa kasi medyo pangit tayo today. Marami tayong kailangan itago. Tayo na sa siniskwela, buklasin natin ang silensya, buksan na. Charan! So, nalagay na po natin. And actually, we can stop here already, but since extra pangit tayo today at extra yung mga tinatago natin, we'll be using the Maybelline, ano to? I forgot what line is this, but this is the Maybelline concealer, and I'm pretty sure you've seen this everywhere. And lalagay lang natin sa dark circles because extra pangit tayo today. And if you have other blemishes or spots you'd want to conceal, bagay to, mako-cover na ito yun. So just put a thin layer over that. Ayoko nang, actually pag concealer, ayoko na masyadong yung medyo mabigat. Yan lang. Diyan lang sa mga areas na yan. Kapag gusto nyo pa damihan, sige, go. Hindi ko kayo pinipigilan. Just blend everything in. Charan! Tapos na tayo mag-blend. The next thing we will do is eyebrows. And charan! Ito na po siya. Kita nyo naman po, laspag na po siya. And I've used this for like the longest time. This is the Maybelline Fashionbrow. And matagal ko na talaga siyang gamit. And sinasabi ko sa inyo, tried and tested na to. I've used this for a lot of times already. And hindi lang siya like a brow product. You can also use this for contouring. So, we'll be using this one over here. Yung pinaka-laspag na laspag sa kanilang pomade to. So, I guess pomade lasts longer than eyebrow pencils. Pero, hula ko lang yun. Hindi natin alam kung facts talaga. Kaya kapag nagkikilay kayo, light, very, very light lang po tayo. Huwag po tayong mag-on flick, magkilay sa school. Pero kung gusto niyo magbida-bida, okay lang naman. Di ko kayo pinipigilan. Sige, go! Magbida-bida kayo. Go! So just follow your brow shape. Kaya ito sa natural brows is that you should have like groomed brows. Kaya minsan, kaya nagpapatad yung mga sambayan ng Pilipino o kaya sinishave nila or plucking or whatever kung anong gusto nyo, ganyan. Follow your brow. Very, very light lang po tayo. Just line up in the sparse areas at huwag masyado on fleek. Alam nyo, sobrang ayoko talaga ng kilay ko dito sa right side ng face ko kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang magkaiba sila. Alam ko namang brows are meant to be twins but sisters. Pero hindi na sila sister eh. Parang ampo na to eh. So, okay lang. Wala naman tayo magagawa kasi dito na siya. Pagtsagaan na lang natin. So, just use a spoolie to blend the product in. At para ma-brush yung mga hairs niyo. Charan! Tapos na po yung kilay natin. So, next, we will be proceeding to the eyes. At ang una natin gagawin ay waterlining the eyes. Waterline. Yeah, eyeliner, yung waterline. Basta yon. Just to make the eyes pop and make it look bigger. To make it more natural, like use a shade that's in like the brown side at hindi yung black. So this is the Indefini eyeliner in Mocha Brown. Mocha.
This is not about you.
Sa totoo lang, wala na akong ibang eyeliner in a brown shade. Kaya eto muna yung gamitin natin. So we'll just line this in. And I don't know if you can see a difference between the eyes kasi hindi talaga sisters yung pagmumukha ko. Pati itong mata ko, ito kasi may eyelid ako dito, dito monolid ako. So, ang hirap pag nag-eye makeup kasi magkaiba yung mukha ko. And we'll proceed to the other eye. Ayan na siya. I still don't know if you can see a difference. The next thing we will do is curl our lashes. And kapag nagka-curl kayo, make sure you go to the roots para pulidong-pulido siya. So take your time in curling your lashes para cute kayo. And one more time. Hirap. Walang pilik mata. Okay, isagad nyo yan. Go! So, the next thing is putting on mascara. Nakafocus ba ako? Hey, focus on me. Hey. Focus on me. Ayan, okay. Putting on mascara. Actually, optional lang to. And honestly, hindi na ako nagmamaskara kapag nag-school. Kasi I feel like I'm extra. Pero kayo, kung gusto nyo, okay, sige, optional. Kung bida-bida tayo, sige, go, bida tayo, diba? Di mo kailangan maraming layers? Just one is enough. Pero kung gusto nyo two, edi go. So if you still have product on your eyelashes, just brush them off with a spoolie. At curl ulit natin one last time. Pero huwag kayo masyado harsh, baka masama na yung pilik mata nyo sa curler. Pag nasama yung mata nyo, just gently blink. We'll be going back to the Maybelline Fashionbrow. We'll be using yung shade na pangalawang laspag dito sa gitna. And we'll be putting it dun sa bilugan ng mata, yung may buto. So kaya natin yung lalagay dyan para magkaroon tayo ng mata. Kahit pa paano, kasi wala tayong mata dito, di ba? So, lagyan din natin dito sa medyo baba. Tcharam! May mata na po tayo. We'll be proceeding to powder. We'll be using the Bench Daily Spell. Kung gumagamit kayo ng Johnson's Baby Powder, honestly, I prefer this more kasi mas suitable siya sa skin color. Johnson's Baby Powder kasi puti. At ito kasi yellow siya. So, kapag ginamit mo, medyo nagmamatch sa skin tone. Beauty blender. Dito ko lang ilalagay sa dark circles, banda, nose area, forehead area. Ang oily tayo dyan. So after that, we'll be using a lip tint from TheFaceShop. And this one is called the Watery Tint. I don't know what, hindi pala yung shade. This is in the shade Red Up. Lagay mo dyan. Dot lang. Ayaw natin naman maging harsh. Sometimes I blend this with a beauty blender para hindi masyado harsh. And minsan, medyo malakas yung pigment niya. Then, I'll be using it also for the lips. Charan! Tapos na po tayo. So, light lang po yung makeup kasi bata pa po yung face natin. At parang cute tingnan, ganyan. Pero kung bida-bida ka, sige, go! So, alalahanin po natin na pumapasok po tayo para mag-aral. At hindi po tayo pumapasok para magpaganda. So, always remember to do your best, study hard, and most of all, learn because that is the true essence of going to school. Once again, this is Shane TV saying goodbye.